Welcome back to HVAC and Beer with Jake. Today I am featuring this. I don't know if you can see that. Elevation Beer Company, Oil Man. This is the coconut version. It's a special release Imperial Stout. Very good. Really enjoying this one. Limited release. Anyway, today we're going to change it up. We're not going to do small equipment like normal. We're going to do a chill water system. Had a buddy, actually he's a customer buddy, I don't know, same thing. We work together, but I had a buddy that said, hey, I really don't like the pressure on my chill water system. I would love to lower that a little bit. The discharge of that pump is just a little bit too high. I don't see why we need that. So I explained the dynamics of a chill water system, how flows work, how pressures work. So this is a 10-story building. The suction side of the pump was probably 50-ish or so. He said, man, I don't understand why I need the suction side of this water pump to run so high. Why can't it just be 10 or 15? I said, well, you're welcome to lower the water pressure if you like, but when it doesn't work, give me a ring and I'll help you understand why. So this particular building, the chillers were in basement level, sub 1 floor. It's the only basement they had over there. The air handler with the chill water coils was on the roof, or penthouse, whatever you want to call it. So 10 stories plus 1 plus a chiller, so almost 12 stories apart. If you think about that, you have to have a certain amount of water pressure to achieve water to that top level. So let's just say 12 times 12, 144. If you have 12 stories at 12 feet each, you're roughly 144 feet. Now, give or take, obviously some of these floors are not 12 feet, some of them are. Every building's a little different. Well, if you do 144 feet is where you need the water to be, and you take 2.3 feet per PSI, that would tell you how much water pressure you need to have just to get water to that chill water coil. And then you have to account for, any pressure losses from flow, obviously, with your pump. If the coil is 10 feet tall, you got a few more feet to add to that. But long story short, he lowered the suction side of this pump down, maybe 10, 15-pound suction, which lowered the discharge down, I don't know, somewhere in the 50s. I can't recall. All of a sudden, no cooling on the top floor, on the air handler. I shouldn't say top floor. The air handler served the entire building. So I told him how the math works, did a brief description on how we could make flow, how the pump works versus pressure on the water to get the water to the coil. Boosted it back up. Sure enough, we had water flow. So just wanted to share that with everyone. Hydronics are a little bit different than normal. I come from that background, obviously. Anyway, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Thanks, and have a great night. Cheers to Elevation Brewing for a great coconut Imperial Stout. This sucker is also pretty strong. This comes in at a healthy, what are we at here? Healthy 10.8%. Also comes with a healthy price tag attached to it, but nonetheless, it is worth it. Very good. Cheers.